Yeah, we've had a really good week of harvest this week, and I want to show you what we got in the coolers real quick. After that, we're going to go build a trellis for the tomatoes. All right, we got a very full fridge going on here. Got bags of lettuce. Looks like we got some kale here. Woohoo! Got heads, more lettuce. Bunch of Tom Thumbs. Ooh, now Candace are on top. And we got more down there. Over here, got beans, well, snap peas, bunch of bags of spinach, more Toms, some radishes. They're not doing too good right now, but they're still producing barely. Bunch more heads. Look in there. More Salanova and more spring, and of course the microgreens at the bottom. Let's go over and start working on the tomato trellis. Here's the basic design of the trellis. There are uprights and cross members. The uprights are 8 foot. The cross members are 8 foot as well. Drive them about 2 foot to 18 inches in the ground. Here's what they look like before they go up. The one on the right is the cross member. It's got a block on the end to connect. The one on the left is the upright. I have it cut down the end into a point. I'd say that is, about 5.5, 6 inches. That way they drive easy, especially when the ground's wet. What the goal is to get my tomatoes that are now actually starting to actually look good. They need somewhere to climb up to. We do a single vine method, so I need to get somewhere to tie them up to. So we'll go ahead and get started on that. Okay, construction's pretty easy. Hole in the ground, get it started, big hammer, a block of wood so I don't split the top. Drive it down to about where the mark in the dirt was last time, and then I just keep on going down the row. Got the tomatoes spaced out at 12 inches. So every 5th hole that I burned in the cloth is where I put the post. That puts everything on 5 foot centers, and then the post will line up with the top rail just fine. To start off with, I just drop them eyeballed as I go. Line up the dirt mark on the bottom. After I start getting enough posts across, I can eyeball across the top of the post and get them close, screw them down, and then anything I see that's high, I come back in and tap it down a little bit more. Just do and repeat. Alright, this here, instead of leaving all the extra ones at the end, I brought the smaller piece towards the center, so I had to count off from the end again to make sure I have them evenly spaced. After get all these driven, we'll put the cross members in. Alright, we're just going to cut to the chase and go straight up to the top and start working on it from there. Cross member, again, 2x4 ripped in half. One screw on top of each post, so the center was to go. And I got 2 screws down at the end for blocking to hook in between each of them. Okay, the camera cut out on me. The one thing I wanted to show you when I took it apart last year, I marked everything with numbers. So we got 2, 2, down at the other end 2. That way I can just stick it back together. Got 2 screws each side of the blocking. And again, 1 screw in the middle. We just work our way down to the end. Alright, what we do here is we do a single vine method. Semi lean and lower as we go. Just 1 piece twine, loop at the bottom just to start it. Plant down next to the tomato plant. Bring it up, over, tie a single slip knot. And we're good to go on it. You got 2 options here. Either wind the tomato plant around like I did last year and worked just fine. But this year, we got clips. Just simple tomato clips, clip together, grab string with the little prongs. And it's just simple as that. Later video I'll show you how I actually trim them and wind them the rest of the way. If you like what you see in here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.